Hi guys, Aviary again. While I'm outside, I just thought I'd do a little video on some budgies I've got. This one's Jock. He's a male. He's a yellow face. You get different types of yellow faces and different types of blue. The type 1, type 2, the colours are. Yeah, Jock's a male. You see the blue on his cere on his nose. So he's got a girlfriend. There she is. So she's a hen. She's brown on top of her beak, a cere. And she's a Latino, which means she's got red eyes. She's pure white. So they've had some chicks, her and Jock, and this is one of them. Well, actually quite tame, or tame-ish. You stand on your finger and stuff, but. So yeah, you can see, we'll go into it in more detail actually in another video, but they're sex links. So all the ones that look this colour with a yellow face out of a yellow face cock and a normal hen. Any ones that are yellow faces will be boys. They'll all be the same as the dad. There's him. He's very nice, very pretty bird. Yeah, I'll show you a couple. I haven't got any other eggs at the minute because I've not long had Jock 3. We did have Jock 2, but some nice people from over Plymouth come and brought him. Alright guys, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe back, that would be great. Thanks guys.